Om Bhurбhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayantam.
So Saram, everyone, continue my joyful sightseeing in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. That's Birds Park, wonderful place to visit. But so let us continue our joyful discussion on Sathya Sai, his life and mission. Well, just recently a few viewers sent me the question about what is the connection or difference, if you wish, between Sathya Sai and Jesus the Christ. Okay, very unusual question. First of all, let me say that that's your personal choice. It is impossible to explain connection between Sathya Sai and Jesus in a general terminology. I mean to say, it depends on your religious background, it depends on your belief system and your personal mystical divine experiences. Okay, say it in generally that of course on this wonderful planet we have so many saviors, so many divine masters, avatars who born on this planet to help us human beings to grow spiritually. And that's Krishna, that's Buddha, that's Zoroaster, that's Guru Nanak, and of course Jesus, of course Moses, of course Prophet Muhammad, and triple sign avatar, Sathya Sai, Sathya Sai, and Prema Sai. In a sense, it's just useless even to try to understand what is the connection, what is the difference between Sathya Sai and Jesus. That's great masters who came for us, for our sake, to help us to grow spiritually. So, and it means, in a sense, it's meaningless question, at least for me. But of course, we can say that actually when we read Bible, and I'm Christian in this lifetime, I study Bible mostly every day, and actually Jesus himself, he never spoke about himself as God. He was messenger from God. He was the divine master who is able even right now, of course, to connect us with God. But when you read Christian Bible, New Testament, it's always the message that Jesus is connecting us with God. When we speak about Sathya Sai incarnation, that's something really amazing, and it seems that God himself was born on planet to visit his place which he created. So out of that we can imagine what is the difference and what is connection. And of course Jesus and Sathya Sai is the one divine team, and this team of masters and avatars helping us to understand God in our heart, to awake, to be happy, to understand that God is light, bliss, love, which is shining in our spiritual heart. See you next time. Saram.
Om Bhurбhuvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayantam.